Hello everyone, this side Srishti from Global Solution. I am here the marketing manager. Today I will discuss about an important notice by the CPCB department for plastic waste register entities. The CPCB has issued a crucial notification on 19 August 2024 regarding the environmental compensation EC for the entities under the EPR framework. These notification especially addresses to producer, importer, brand owner, PIBO and plastic waste processor PWP who have not met their EPR obligation for the financial year of 22 and 23. These notifications are issued by the CPCB department separately. First, shortfalling of EPR target for PIBO. The first notification is directed for PIBO, producer, importer, brand owner who have shortfallen of their EPR target. The company did not achieve the required recycling target or processing target for the plastic waste. Second, non-submission of annual report for PIBO. The second notification target PIBO, producer, importer, brand owner who failed to submit their annual report for the financial year of 22 and 23. Non-compliance is reporting is considered as serious legal penalty by the CPCB department. Third, non-submission of annual report for PWP. The third notification is for plastic waste processor PWP who have failed to submit their annual report. They are required to submit their activities on annually basis, and failure to do so can lead to a legal penalty by the CPCB department. This notice specifies that the entities who have registered themselves under the plastic waste management that fails the EPR obligation for the financial year of 22 and 23 has been penalized to environmental compensation by the CPCB department. To help you identify whether your company is affected, we have attached a link on the screen that contains the list of the company which is penalized. We strongly urge you to review the list immediately. If your company is listed or you have not fulfilled your EPR obligation for the financial year of 22 and 23, the deadline to meet these obligations is 1st September 2024. Failure to do so may result an additional penalty or a legal action by the CPCB department. The EPR framework is a key component of India's environmental regulation. Producer, importer, brand owner and plastic waste processor to manage their plastic waste generated by their product. As a leading consultancy, Global Solution is a one-stop solution, and we offer you a range of services to fulfill your EPR obligation of last financial year and current financial year. To avoid any kind of penalty and including to purchase EPR credit, Global Solution is going to help you and assist you. The link is also mentioned in the description box. To know more about my company, please visit www.globalsolution.co.in. Thanks for watching.